Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you the ultimate guide to making perfect banana bread right at home. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to store-bought. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the bananas. You want them ripe. I mean really ripe. We're talking brown spots all over. This is where the magic happens. The sugars develop, and they give your banana bread that irresistible sweetness. Alright, now let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 3 ripe bananas, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 large egg, beaten, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Got everything? Great. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and let's get mixing. In a mixing bowl, mash the bananas with a fork until smooth. You don't need a mixer for this, just some good old elbow grease. Once mashed, stir in the melted butter. Next, mix in the baking soda and salt. Then add the sugar, beaten egg, and vanilla extract. Make sure everything is well combined. Now gradually add the flour and stir until you have a smooth batter. Don't overmix, or you'll end up with tough banana bread. Just mix until you can't see any more flour. Grease a 4x 8-inch loaf pan and pour in the batter. Give it a little shake to even it out. Pop it in the oven and bake for about 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While it's baking, your kitchen is going to smell amazing. Resist the temptation to open the oven door too often. We want that heat to stay consistent. Once it's done, let it cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Trust me, this step is crucial. Cooling helps the bread firm up and makes slicing a breeze. Alright, moment of truth. Slice yourself a piece and enjoy that perfect banana bread. It's moist, flavorful, and just the right amount of sweet. Perfect with a cup of coffee or as a quick breakfast on the go, and there you have it. The ultimate banana bread, made right at home. If you love this recipe, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way. Happy baking, everyone!